So I'm done with my clothes, they're right here, and right now I'm going to Sam's Club. And for the longest time, I don't know why, I never applied for the membership, and I was always being told apply the membership, but I did not. So recently I did, and I got the membership at a 50% off offer. So the amount that you're supposed to pay yearly, I paid half of it. And the good part of it is that you also get to gas on Sam's Club's gas, if that makes sense. Like, it's way cheaper than outside here. And I don't have the card, so that's what I'm going to get right now. And let's go. So this is the gas station for Sam's Club, and I need to, and then that, yeah, there you go. Let's look for a parking lot. I think this is good. All I'm supposed to do is go with my ID and the membership number, and then I'll be given the card. I will be able to be shopping at much more lower prices, and also gas in a much more lower price. Sorry, here we are buying this stuff, a few necessities, and then we go over there. Hi. This one right here. Pull forward and open the pump. Yes. I never used to know, like, this arrow right means like your pump is on the right side, until I was told, like, look at the arrow, like, see what she was doing. Her tank is on the left, but she came on the right. Okay, here we go. Or maybe, yeah, let me go to this one, the first one. Right there. That will be good for a week or so, depending on how far I'm going to go. Then now we are going home. So today we are feeling so good, so why not have a glass of wine today? Guy at the wine and spirit. For I've seen him like several times. He's not the nicest person you can. I don't know why. He's always like, you're here, get whatever you're getting, go. That's the mood he somehow has. So I was asking him how much these are, and he was like, I don't know, maybe we can just try. We can check them out and try. So this is like a shot of Bacardi. Bacardi, I don't know, is Bacardi, it's 40% alcohol volume. I've just bought it for the sake of like buying it and knowing the price. I've seen people with them, and yeah, I've seen people buy this, but I never knew like they were that kind of cheap. 99 cents, that's 99 bob pesa home probably. Through this one, Tanqueray, I like the bottles, the bottle, it's so tiny. And this is how many ml? It's also 50 ml. Tanqueray is usually 47% alcohol volume. Yeah, currently I'm on wines, not on these things. And then the bottle is plastic. It's plastic. So I went back to get fish. They have a hotel on one side, and on the other side they have like now the market side. So they cook fresh made food. Yeah. So this is the fish. Let me show you. It looks so delicious. Woo. So that's the fish, and then we have nyanya and everything. Oh, it's a whole mess in here, but we are about to change that. And let me go home because now my phone is red. So we are home and I'm so tired, and the house looks a mess, and I have to cook. So I want to put these things aside, and then as soon as I'm done, I start cooking and do a few things I was supposed to do this day. So I'm first going to relax. I'm so tired. So I have a few things I've been waiting for them to be delivered. Please ignore that word. Ignore as much as it's hard to ignore it. We lost the M. It should be home. No? So I've opened one and it's not it's not as what the description said, so I have filed for a return. And I love that about, yeah, that returning something, it's not a bigger issue. You just return, give the reason as to why you're returning, and then they refund your money, or you get to choose another product, or you get a replacement. And then if this is what I'm thinking it is, oh, I am so happy. I will be so happy. It will also mean a lot for this channel because I'll be hands-on. I'll be hands-on content. Okay? And I have so many ideas that I want to like put out there, put on the channel. And yeah, it's going to be beneficial to you guys too, and also beneficial to me. So let's see. Okay. What are you? So this is mine. This is for my personal stuff. And then let me stop before I destroy the box, because I don't know if I will like it. And ta-da! Whew. I'm excited and then I get disappointed because sometimes Amazon does that. Ooh. I don't know what's in here. If there was a job like where you just open what are they called? You open packages for a living. Hey, me I would love it. Like things bought for me. Not using my money though. Like somebody else's money, and then they just send them to my address. He's so happy. So the first one, I already know what this is, I can tell. Ta-da! Oh, there you go. It's a mini, I was gonna say mini me. It's a mannequin. Ooh. And she has very nice eyebrows too, look. Okay. I'm saying I chose one which has like hair which looks like it has been blow dried for ease. And yeah, I didn't want the one which is like too much straightened up. There was also another one for afro hair. I need that too, because that's our hair before we blow dry. And I didn't get it before because it was out of stock. So it's, yeah, that's the reason. Nice. So I'm so excited about this. I have a lot of things that I want to, yeah. And then when I'm angry or when I have like something disturbing me and I need to punch something, I'll just be doing it. Yay! But it's a good punching bag, like when you need to slap someone.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Okay, on to number 2. I think I love this one. We are not going to return. And then I need to look for a name for her. Hey, hapana, acha niache. Siku moja nimuite alafu aitike. We. These are for my own personal stuff. They're black gloves and oh yes. I know what this is. So this is what is it called? Let me remember the name. I can't remember the name, but it's for ladies, especially when you have cramps. You put hot water and then you put it on your belly, like yeah. So this is how it looks. and then has a cloth on top, but I think you can take it out if you want. It's not stretchy, so I won't take it out, but it's like silicone inside. And then kifuniko. Oh yeah, check the name and then I'll put it on the screen just in case you want to order, but that's how it looks. I've been waiting for it to be delivered for so long, so let's see. So they are like accessories for a GoPro that you need so that it can be easy for you to make videos with the GoPro. Do that, and then where's this thing supposed to go? Then the second one, I think this is the chest one. Oh yeah, a silicone cover. I love it. I love this one. Wow, 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 wow. Both case. I think I have this one. I have another one too. These ones are the ones that you can stick somewhere. This is another lens. Another one of this. Oh, okay. It's like the one you can do. Oops. Now, in case you're running or you're biking, this is for the head. I know. Okay. This one is, I got it for someone, so I'm not going to open it. But here, when I was new, I got introduced to this wine and I love it. Oh, you should try it, by the way. It's called Risata Moscato. Oh, 5.5. 5.5 alcohol volume, so it's for lightweight people. If you are a lightweight drinker, this is good for you. It's called Moscato. So you can take a picture or a screenshot or Google it, and then it's pretty common. I think it's very common in the US, so it's I would say it's available. It's readily available in most wine and spirits because I came here and I saw it. Missouri, it was there. So I think this will have to be the end of this video. I am so tired and so happy. If not, maybe you will see the continuation of this vlog, but as of now I want to end this vlog. It's currently it's going to 7:30, and then I need to like relax, man. Sometimes I'm too hard on myself because on my weekends or on the days I'm supposed to be relaxing, I'm always looking for something to do, and it's not that good. So I need to relax and edit this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys in case I record again, but in case I don't, bye, and thank you so much for watching. Please tell me what you'd like to see or what you'd like me to vlog more on. Bye.